Hi everyone. So this is my first YouTube video. So I decided to make a YouTube video because I can talk about some stuff for a longer time than on the IG Reels, obviously. So the topic I will talk about today does have a lot of information inside of it, and as well I receive a lot of questions from my students in the Trade with SAP community, and as well messages on the IG. And I decided to make a YouTube video about it, unedited, so it's going to be raw, just subtitles on, just to talk about this topic. And the topic is why do you have to trade, why is suggested to trade just one pair on the forex, obviously not crypto and that. So a bit of myself, because this is like the first video on YouTube and I don't have the cloud here on YouTube. So anyway, so my name is Sebastian. I'm trading for 5 years. Had a lot of ups and downs in this trading journey. It's not a easy journey as majority shows. Money, Lambos, luxury, whatever. This is basically not the case. From my experiences, I tried it all. I tried indicators. I tried every possible strategy there is, and I didn't find the consistency nor, let's say, the connection with the mindset or psychology behind it, because it was a messy, not reliable, whatever. So the reason why I'm doing this video is just to tell you the story behind it, to basically maybe help you in your journey of how to develop into the better trader, more consistent, and at the end of the day more profitable trader, obviously. So trading one pair is crucial. So you have a lot of benefits from it. I don't know if you have downside of things by trading one pair. I don't know that, because I didn't saw that for the past 2 years, or let's say year and a half. So let's get into it. So last year, 2022, I was only trading GBP, JPY, right? We all know this pair is moving nicely. It's having a lot of daily pip range movements, all sort of. It is volatile, among the other currency pairs, but it does have its specifics that you have to be aware of. So with GJ, I did all of the challenges I had last year, profits consistently all the time, and it didn't require a lot of work, right? Because it all depends of your style of trading. I'm day trading, so I'm extracting 3% per trade. This is my, let's say, goal per trade, and it can be easily done with just one pair, one trade or 2 trades per week, and that's it. So by trading one pair, you are going to eliminate the over trading, which given the fact that majority of the new traders think that they have to have like watch list of 10 pairs all the time, but no, this is super false. This is super wrong. So if you're going to have 10 pairs, 5 pairs even on your watch list, it doesn't mean that you're going to be more successful or being more profitable at the end of the day. It means that your focus is going to be on the 5 things all the time. So you're gonna have focus on GJ, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CAD, gold, whatever, you know, and having this focus over and over a time on every pair, how it moves, what it did, where is structure, where is price, whatever. It's going to confuse you, it's going to mess with your mind. Simple as that. And you will never be 100% sure. Let's say you have I don't know, the trading setup on GBP USD and GBP JPY and USD CAD. Now you have to decide which one of those three setups is the actual setup that, you know, is going to make you profit and that is going to be legit, right? So it's going to confuse you. And then the second thing is risk management. So we all know that you wanna risk only 1% per trade or 0.5% per trade. So if you have three pairs, then obviously if you're going to execute them, then you're gonna expose your account by 3%. So let's imagine if you lose all of those three trades, you're down minus 3%. Why? It's no sense, right? It's no sense. So the best thing to do is to find your pair that suits your personality, that suits your way of trading, your, let's say, when you have time to trade, whether this is Asian session, London, or New York session, and to find out in which sessions your pair is working the best, right? So GJ is working the best in Asian session, London, and New York session, so all day, right? All day. But it does have specifics. It does have weeks, and it is tricky when it comes to the entry. The entry is executed, you know, it pulls away and then come back for a retest several times possible, and then finally moves away. So it can trick your mind into not trusting yourself correctly. Let's say, oh, it's coming back, now I can have a loss, whatever. So in this case, even though I traded GJ only GJ for a year, I switched to Euro USD, which I find it more easier to trade because it moves nicely in the London session when basically I'm awake. I don't trade New York session, I only trade London. So that's why I chose Euro USD. It does have nice movements, day trading, pretty. Extracting 3% consistently is easy for him. So yeah, and okay, let's go back. So trading one pair, first thing is you're not going to overtrade, you're not going to do bullshit on the market. Second thing, your focus is going to be better because you'll know exactly every time where pair is, how it's moving, where the price is, what it's doing each session, whatever. Then you're not going to over risk because you're only gonna have maybe 2 setups per week, 3 setup tops, depends of your trading style. My style is like I have 2 to 3 trades per week maybe. So you're not going to over risk because you're only going to risk like 1% per trade all the time. So this is kind of the benefits of it. And if you do the calculation, if you do a backtest mode, and let's say I challenge you to do a backtest mode on one pair, your trading style, whatever you trade, and do from the first of the month to the last day of the month, trade only one session on your trading style, and see how much percentages you made. And you're gonna think, wow, why I'm trading 10 pairs if only one pair is enough? Because at the end of the day, you don't want to be, sticking on the chart like for the whole day, because each session you have only 2 hours to have a setup, have an execution, and have the actual trade. So let's say for me, if I would only trade and not running the course community, I will be spending maybe 2 hours per day on the charts. But because I have a students and, you know, sessions, homeworks, updating the market, whatever, I do spend a bit more, but the actual active work of my trading is maximum something between 2 hours and 3 hours, maybe, just in the London session, and that's it. And so the fourth thing about having one pair is, you know, to your head, your mind is always going to be clear, right? You're not going to be overwhelmed. You're not going to have a lot of. You're not going to take a lot of information, data, every day into your, you know, mind that can be messed up. At the end of the day, you can feel, wow, I'm exhausted. You know, can't wait to go to sleep, whatever. So every day you will be prepared. You will be 100% focused. What you have to do, to, you know, how to create analysis, to execute, etc. So you're going to be, I bet you're going to be better, more consistent, and more profitable over a long period of time by trading just one pair than trading, you know, a lot of pairs. Because this is a fact. I didn't just, you know, it's a fact. It's simple as that. Any professional trader that, you know, trades 5+ years now, and it's successful and have consistency and it's realistic, obviously, not those you know, hype people that just hype and, you know, whatever, 500 to 1 million, blah blah blah, this is bullshit. So every trader that is actually realistic is going to tell you one pair is enough, and one pair is going to make you successful. So this is just my advice for the first YouTube video. I didn't prepare for it. I just felt like, okay, I'm in the mood for a recording, and I was thinking like, okay, let's do the video, whatever. We're gonna see how it look. But yeah, this is my advice for first video. I hope you like it. I hope it's going to help you along your journey in the future. And maybe I'm going to do some videos in the next few weeks, months on the YouTube as well, because I can talk a bit longer and I don't need to edit. So yeah, gonna do that. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.